Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with Sinister RC, and today I have my Eachine E58 and I have to do a little maintenance on it, and I figured I'd help do maybe a little walkthrough on what I do with this thing. I've had to replace the arms, one of the motors, and the gears up in here too, so routinely I just kind of pull my props and check these screws right here. Make sure they're all tight, because they will back off. Vibration, I think. Go there. Okay, I think I got all my screws. Double check the flashlight. Make sure I don't see no shiny in there. We're good. Now this one fits really tight, which I kind of like too. It's one of the better Mavic top knockoffs. Stick you over here. Okay, this is my antenna mod, and I actually have soldered it in. So just gotta be careful. Our lights are plugged in right here. And what I'm gonna do is, this arm right here was kind of lagging, or the motor was. And that's the reason I'm taking it apart right now. And there's these little rubber O-rings. You don't want to lose these. They keep them nice and tight when they fold. Set them all. Oh, I'm already missing one. I must find that one. I get top here. No. Yeah, we'll find it here momentarily. And what I'm going to do here is pop this guy. That's all I like to do. It's, just plug. If you ever have to replace these, you don't have to solder, you just plug them in. Easily ordered off Amazon. And I'm going to find that little ring. Oh, there it is right there. Got on top of the power button. So I'm going to set this aside here. And I'm going to pull this arm apart. Okay, I don't see any broken teeth, and you can order these gears separate on Amazon, and I think you can see them on Walmart. Banggood has them, AliExpress. Yeah, that gear's in good shape. Motor spins good. Sometimes that you'll feel it in the motor. Those motors will kind of hang up, and they'll get, you'll feel a little bit of a drag. It's rolling smooth. Gearing here. That's real smooth. Yeah, I think it was just debris. Got up underneath the prop, and then I noticed on this prop here too, I did have a loose screw, so that screw could have backed out and been hitting around on the edge. Anyway, it's in good shape. And these come apart pretty easy, and if you just need to replace the motor, they just slide right out. Right back in there nice and tight. And feed this guy back the way he had it. There's a button. There you go. Right in here. Get that wire to separate around that post. You don't want to pierce your wires with the screw when you come through, so there we go. That wire should come around that screw post here. Yep, there we go. Yeah, right around it. Next, this one's got a little piece of it, it'll slide right inside there. So now, I'll just clean back where it was. Yeah, good to go. Put these screws back in here. Always remember to put it back together, right? I forgot the gear. I'll get this back in place. Yeah, it's just not wanting to fit right there. Pull this all the way apart again. Let me take a look, because it should sit flat and it's aiming up. And it feels like something's just not inside down in there right. I see that wire right here is preventing it from. There we go. I gotta shove that wire down in there like that. Okay, yeah, there's a small space right there. That wire needs to fit down inside of, so this can fit in there to prevent it actually fitting. Still not fitting right. Please solve this issue. Another arm if I have to. Oh, stop right there. There we go. That little wire down in there just needs to sit in its own little spot. Okay, so pretty easy. Just slide this right back over top. Snap it in place the right way. Okay, now I'm going to test it here. Get a battery. Slide it down inside there. Yes, it's not moving still, so I'm going to replace the arm right now. And I do have some more here. Let's see if it's in this pack. This could be there. Okay, so these are my front two spare arms, and it will be this rear arm right here. So what I'm going to do here is just test this arm real quick. Get this one out of the way. I might have burnt that motor out. And I'll do another test with my fingers free. Okay, so now I'll try this again. I'm actually going to pop that prop off real quick. Just real fast. Working now. So I just replaced the arm. That was a pretty easy replacement. I did have extras, so because I ordered a set, because this one initially had burned out on me, so I ordered a set of 4. That's why I kept them aside. So we'll keep this one aside and probably take it apart, but I'll mark it with some tape. You know, so I know later on this is the one that I have to repair. Get a little blue tape here. Mark it with some blue tape. Just bag it with its friends. Yeah, is this? Yeah, this arm here is the one I replaced before. And might as well just keep that spare prop in the bag right here. Another spare prop. Okay. Okay, now that we have our prop replaced there, right up, that's good. Put wire in, and I like to kind of fold the arms in so these wires are kind of in, so they're not getting tussled in. Because see, like this one here is out. If I pull that arm in, it kind of pushes it in place, and then you drop the top down. It'll right where it belongs. Now I kind of just want to go through the rest of my drone. Okay, let's get that top back on it. Oh, I forgot to bag this one with it. And we'll get those props back on. And don't forget to put your little rubber seals in. There's like a bumpy side and a smooth side, and you stick that bumpy side up. Spare screw here. Oh, that's for the rubber prop. goes in there like that. And then this antenna that I soldered in, I kind of laid in there, and what I've done is I carved out a chunk of the top, and it'll slide right in there like that. So everything's plugged in good, and we'll just double check, make sure it's all okay. Slide that battery out while I put this together. Oops. Yeah, make sure those rubber seals stay put. And I need to fold these in just a touch. And it keeps those wires where they belong. There it is. Want to fold. We're going to put it back together, just kind of line it up real good here. Get those, whoops, that rubber seal went for a walk on me. And I got it back in place. Real good here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Rubber seal here's good. Oh, got a pin in place. Slide in nice and pretty. Other than right here, this guy now, there it is. She did the big snap, she kind of snapped in place. Top piece here. There we go. Snapped in. Now we'll just run all these screws in real quick. Test these props. Yeah, all four are spinning good now. And yeah, she'll have to take off. So we'll get it outside. We're going to get some test flights in.